So we're just back from Japan. We had an amazing trip with the guys, experienced some crazy stuff, street drifting, plenty of track drifting. We drove at Ebisu, so I decided I'd make this little drift montage of a track day that our friend in Japan organised, Koda. So in the next video we're going to jump back onto the MX-5, get the windscreen fitted and get that finished up, and we'll go back onto the BMW. So I'll include some of the videos from Japan, the street drifting in Tokyo, and clips from Ebisu, the driving in Ebisu. Seeing all the best bits of Tokyo, Daikoku parking area, Tatsumi parking area, underground street racing. We were racing R34 GTRs and then drifting 300-400 horsepower cars up in Ebisu. There'll be some awesome content coming in. We were drifting bone stock MX-5s in Minabe Chiba circuit. First day for the guys drifting, and they killed it. Super fun experience. One or two minor incidents. I think we broke 2 cars, but that's part of it. And remember, this is a brand new channel. Please help it out, subscribe, like, comment down below, and get this channel growing. Be good content incoming.